So here we are going to talk about the universal system of notation. Alright. So for primary dentition we will have 20 teeth. For from A to T, A, B, C, D, E, then F to J, then K to O, and then P to T. Alright. For permanent dentition we will have 32 teeth on max. मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा 32 दांत होने चाहिए आदमी के मुंह के अंदर. From 1 to 8, from 9 to 16, from 17 to 24, and from 25 to 32. ठीक है, याद रखना है. You just need to remember 1-8 will be in first quadrant, 9 to 16 second quadrant, 17 to 24 third quadrant, and 25 to 32 in fourth quadrant. The Zygmondy-Palmer notation, more simpler than that. तो इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा हमारे पास आ जाएगी all quadrants, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and then fourth quadrant, right? Then it's ABCD, 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 ABCD. All right. Thus, for single tooth such as maxillary right central incisor, the designation will be this: maxillary right central incisor, and mandibular left central incisor will be given as this one and A. All right. For permanent dentition, it will be 1 to 8, 1 to 8, 1 to 8, 1 to 8. All right. So वैसे लिखेंगे. For example, right maxillary first molar is designated as this. This is the right maxillary first molar. In Federation Dentaire International system was accepted by WHO. FDA system में tooth notation for primary teeth is 6, 7, 8 is for primary teeth, and 1, 2, 3, 4 अगर ये पहले आता है, if this comes first, the prefix denotes what quadrant it is in. 1 denotes first quadrant, 2 denotes second quadrant, 3 denotes third quadrant, and 4 denotes fourth quadrant. For example, the number 5-1, it represents maxillary right primary central incisor. 5-1. FDA system में भी ऐसे ही है. Thus, the FDA system, the first digit indicates the quadrant of the permanent dentition, that is 1 to 4, and from the primary dentition, it is from 5 to 8. The second digit will indicate कि हम किस tooth के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Clear?